Okay, this is ready. Thank you all for coming to this video tonight. Uh, this is a special video for my class, my advanced seminar class meetings to Professor Daniel that surely is gonna be watching this video soon. And tonight we have a special guest with us, a very special guest, a very special friend of mine. We have Joyce here, Jan Jinwen. Thank you so much for coming here.
Yes, everyone.
Hello, but Joyce. It's for you to know, everyone. Joyce is a mechanical engineer. She studied a master in Tamkang University, and now Joyce is working in this industry. So we're gonna make some questions to her to ask more about how is this field, how is these kind of activities in the real world, and of course, Joyce, we will want to know about you. Uh, You're a mechanical engineer, and for me that is so hard to explain at the beginning. For example, if you go for a family meeting or anything, how can you explain them what is mechanical engineer? It's not something we are related every day with.
Yeah. I usually say mechanical engineering is about like figuring out how the thing move from and work. It can be anything from how is your car engine function to the design of your coffee machine or how air conditioner cool your house. We take like idea turn them into real working things so design maths and problem solving. It's kind of like being a professional inventor and fix combined.
Oh wow, so it's truly you have so many situations where you have to fix your own things by your own, right? Yeah, I can tell. I can tell that it's not that common to find a mechanical engineer every day. But
Yes.
also something that is not that common is that, for example, I can guess that, for example, in your classroom, uh, not so many girls there, right? It's not that common for girls to study this major. How it was in your classroom?
We only have like five girls in one major and we have like 16 people and others are guys. But I think we are like it's okay like girls like to do the notable thing and men like will like to be able to do everything so we can make idea and they can make it too. So we just have combined to working together and both of them learning the thing.
Oh, anyways, it's kind of special. This situation when you cannot find so many girls in the.
Yeah, yeah, but it's okay. Like we we just mix we just make like idea and we just working together and I think that's good. It's fine. And also I think too many girl will have too many complaints. So it's
Oh yeah,
hard
I can
to
say yes.
most yeah.
So many compliments for the girls in your major.
In my major we have five people and we totally have 60 people, 60 classmates. And only five girls.
Wow, you survived to that. but but I think they were very nice with you because, for example, if I were in that situation as a classmate, I will take care of the girls in the classroom.
Yeah, they will, but there's no flow. And they do this because sometimes we can have attention for them. Like sometimes they will skip the class and we will still go to the class. And before the exam, they will always ask us for the notes on something.
Gosh.
But it's okay. We're learning together too.
Wow. And I think that is also happening in your current job, right? Maybe it's not that easy to find some girls in your job, I guess.
Yeah, but right now my team is more have girls. Like my department have like 100 more people, but we have like different teams, and our teams have more girl. And when I work, I can feel the difference. Like when we what your manager is girl, like more care about the detail, so you need to do the thing more perfect. But if your manager is a man, and they maybe won't care too many detail inside. So maybe some with mental work is more quick to put into the thing, but with the girl you can make more like notice more small thing or detailed thing when you're doing the job.
Oh, so there's a big difference here there between you both. Yeah. But can you, now that we are talking about your job, can you briefly introduce to us what you do in your daily job? Because I think it's a pretty interesting activity.
Like my company is you heard HP, right?
Yeah, HP, the technology.
HP is like is a brand, but my company is designing for them. So they have idea and tell us what they want to do, like for the shell of the laptop, and we make it out for them. So like they want this they love how like what you look like and how they have proof what is the function you can have it. So my job is like my department have a lot because we're gonna design all the lab. We just like playing the micro. We put the thing together and make our lab and make it work. And my team is more focused on the PCB board. Like we design, we put every like connector inside and make everything working. Yeah, so we just the every the everyday hours job is doing like college what the problem it will happen to, and we have so many like in 1 year so we will finish design and then lab, and we need to figure out what this thing will happen like something issue and deal with those issue. Yeah, that's what I do
Okay.
every day.
Wow. It sounds kind of complex. Is
Yeah,
that that?
but when you work in there, like before I don't understand any about the lab, but when I just working there for 3 months with their training and I just understand more and I can do it by myself now.
Oh, that's nice. But I think
Yeah.
that also applies to any kind of job, right? You can just go and then learn, and then it's gonna be easier for you.
Yeah, I think and I'm good from learning from internship and
Oh,
like in that time and they teach you the best thing and after give us the more serious like we're doing the project right now. Yeah.
but do you think is this a tiring work, or is it just a kind of easy job that you can combine with more activities in your daily life?
Yeah, for me right now, I feel it's like it's kind of easy, and also I think it's because I going with the internships first, so they won't give me too heavy job to do. But like when I finish those things and I won't ask for more hard job to do because it's the same time and doing the same thing. So when I finish my job, I just have nothing to do. So now for me, it's just kind of bored. But I think after like 2 months, the project is going on, we will become more busy. Yeah, in that
Oh,
time.
so it's by seasons. Okay, by seasons. Also, I'm so happy to have a engineer friend here in Taiwan. It's interesting because sometimes people is also asking about, for example, if you come from any country outside, you will wonder about this world, about how they build microchips or computers or laptops here in Taiwan, and I think it's pretty interesting. But I have another question that I think it's gonna be interesting to answer. Um, for example, you are a mechanical engineer now, but
Yes.
uh, if you weren't an engineer, what would you be?
If I'm not engineer, it's an interest. This question is interesting. Like I always done engineer things solo. If I'm not engineer, I would like to be the project manager. Like since I'm working now, I face more departments, so I understand more job to do. And project manager is like I like to helping different team working together and make sure this thing can be done on the time. I like planning and talking with people to solve the problem, and it just is not only focused on the technology work, it just like co-worker working together, like helping people.
Oh, that is a project manager, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So anyway, even if you're not an engineer, You will love to be more related to the industrial process, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. So that's your field. I think you were born to be part of the industrial process of any company. Oh, that's so interesting. That's so interesting because as a society, we used to think, I think in a wrong way, but we used to think that that kind of jobs are not designed for girls.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to think. I think that is wrong from us in the society that we used to think that that kind of jobs are not designed to be developed by girls. But that's not real. That's not true. We had so many women around the world working in this field like you, and I think that is a good example. What do you think about this kind of thinking of society?
I think for women to go to face this thing, like we need to prove ourselves more a bit more. Like especially when you're starting working, some people were just surprised to a woman working a lab or on the factory floor, but things are improving, and I've been lucky to have improved by my mentors, and college is always meaningful to someone younger woman in engineer can relate to.
Oh, but that's so nice. I think
Yeah.
it's the ways it's a great to think and a great thing. But anyway, Joyce, it was so nice to have you here tonight. I think I know you're so busy, so it is kind of hard to get an appointment with you.
Mhm.
So I'm really thankful for your time tonight and for your answers to this interview. We wanted just to analyze a little bit in these few minutes about how women is really working in this kind of fields and how women is really important for society working in this kind of fields. So thank you so much for your answers.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I wish you the best and see you soon, Joyce. Thank you so much. And thanks for you all for your attention to this little interview. Hopefully during this major I'm studying now, I will develop more elaborated and complex interviews for you all. So see you then. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.